Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kewal Sangoi, consultant physician and diabetologist currently practicing at Sangoi Dental Clinic and Healthcare Center, Girgaon, Mumbai. I'm also attached as a physician and diabetologist at ACI Kambala Hill Hospital, St. Elizabeth Hospital, Converse Jain Clinic Hospital, Motiben Dalvi Hospital, and Noor Hospital. Today we'll be talking about a very important question that a lot of my patients ask, and I'm sure a lot of you might be facing, is that can diabetics have cheat days? So, as you all know, that diet forms an integral part in management of diabetes mellitus. So, when we give patients a strict diet to follow, the first question they ask us is, "Can we have cheat days?" या डॉक्टर साहब क्या मैं एक दो दिन के लिए कुछ बाहर का खा सकता हूँ या जो आपने रिकमेंड नहीं किया उससे कुछ अलग जो मेरे बाकी लोग खाते हैं दोस्त लोग खाते हैं वो मैं खा सकता हूँ या नहीं. So there's a very common scenario about the patient among the patient asking regarding the cheat days. First and foremost, I must like to tell you that unless you follow a very strict diet given to you by your physician or diabetologist, it is very, very difficult for your diabetes to get under control only with the help of medicine. So, along with medicines, you need to have lifestyle changes along with diet modifications. So, diet forms an integral part in management of diabetes mellitus. Now, coming to whether a patient who's recently diabetic or is diabetic since a very long time getting managed on multiple drugs or even just purely based on lifestyle, do such patients while following a normal routine diet as advised, can they have cheat days? So my opinion is yes, they can have cheat days, but that cheat days should not exceed for more than once a day a week. Or I would put in other words, rather than you having a cheat day, make sure that you have a cheat meal. What will happen that if you have a cheat day, the diet on that cheat day might not be under control. But rather than instead of having a cheat day, if you focus on having a cheat meal, what will happen that a particular meal will be without the strict diet followed by the diabetologist. But however, throughout the day, you will follow whatever is recommended to you by your doctor. So also, if you have a cheat meal instead of a cheat day, what I would suggest that do not keep a lot of gap between two meals while you are having your cheat day or cheat meal. What will happen? Like if you have a lot of gap, this will create a lot of hunger in you, and despite on the day of cheat day, you will eat a lot of binge food, a lot of junk food, and this will adversely affect your glycemic control. The glycemic control, which has been extremely smooth throughout your week, on the cheat day, it becomes completely haywire. So to reduce that, you can have a cheat day, but make sure it has to be controlled. It does not have to be like that you can eat anything and everything on earth. It has to be monitored by yourself and as well as by your doctor. What all can you have in your cheat days? You can have your bread items, you can have burgers, you can have pizzas, but in limited quantities. If you have burgers and pizzas, make sure you have adequate salads on that day, adequate juices, adequate nutrition on the same day. And if you decide that instead of a cheat day, I will have a cheat meal, now I give a liberty to my patient that those cheat meals can be twice a week or sometimes even thrice a week. What will happen that if you follow such cheat meals, the rest of the days or the rest of the week, the glycemic control which has to be achieved, it is achieved very smoothly depending on your what diet you eat. Now, another thing is that if I have a cheat day, will I have a very uncontrolled diabetes? The answer is yes. If the cheat days are rampant, or if it is more than one twice a week, there are chances that your diabetes control can become uncontrolled. So for that, I recommend to all of you that you can have cheat day max to max once a day, maybe a weekend or a Sunday. That will be best because that is an ideal family gathering time, or you can chill out with your friends. And at that time, also at the back of the mind, please make sure that you have your cheat food under control and do not have a binge eating cheat food. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.